Welcome to Astro5s.com. Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Moon in 6th house. About Moon. Rules is Cancer. Exaltation is Taurus. Detriment is Capricorn. Fall is Scorpio. Responsible. Mind. Material. Assets property. Mother. Represents. Domestic, nurturing urge. Anatomy. Breasts, stomach, fluid balance of the body, digestion, glandular secretions, left eye of male, right eye of female. Keyword is emotions. General. The Moon in the chart prominence is important because this is the planet closest to Earth and moves fast through the zodiac. It represents the principle of women, mother, wife and women in general. Instinct, mood, tide, phase, receptive ability, motivation, feeling, habit, reflexive action. Its actions affirm and change. Adjust personal interests, desires, needs. 6th house, physical health. It shows the state of your body. Health, habits, unconscious mind, service given, work, pets. Natural sign is Virgo. Natural ruler is Mercury. Keyword is duty. 6th house is a house of substance and earth. Quality is Cadent house. General. The 6th house shows your work, health and habits. This house shows employment, employees, tenants, servants, pets and dependents. This house shows the service given to others, your common problems, your clothes and how you wear them, hygiene, food and diet, illness and all photo conditions. Affect your health. This house shows aunts and uncles, self-regulating in your unconscious mind. Here work and health are linked together. The position of the Moon in the diagram shows an area with many changes, therefore, the Moon in the 6th home reflects changes in your career. You care about others, especially employees, but you are a hard worker and you ask others to work as hard as you. You have a strong passion for motherhood and service. You are a great cook, you will do well in any industry that serves the public, such as markets and restaurants. Unless the Moon is in a fixed sign, you tend to be prone to change in your habits. The Moon is in the 6th palace in your date of birth, showing that your health, intellect, emotions, or physical composition, is the main focus in your life. Maybe you endured poor health early on, or you experienced mental failures in childhood. Your restlessness can be manifested in illnesses, which can often be mental illness. It is important that you eat well. Your eating habits and diet have a specific impact on your overall health. When under stress, you may seek food, or you may have a specific food allergy. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.